I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Ninja Forms in WordPress. Ninja Forms is an incredibly user-friendly and powerful drag-and-drop form builder. It allows you to effortlessly create a wide variety of forms, from simple contact forms to complex surveys, all without needing to write a single line of code. This tool helps you efficiently collect valuable user information and manage all your submissions directly within your WordPress dashboard, streamlining your website's interactive elements. Getting Ninja Forms up and running on your WordPress site is a breeze. First, navigate to the plugins section in your WordPress admin dashboard. Next, use the search bar to find Ninja Forms and then click the Install Now button. Once the installation is complete, simply click Activate to enable the plugin. This entire process typically takes less than 1 minute, getting you ready to build forms in no time. Now, let's dive into creating your very first form. From your WordPress menu, access the Ninja Forms dashboard. You can choose to start with a blank form or select from several pre-built templates by clicking Add New. The intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes it simple to add fields like text, email, and a submit button. Remember to customize each field's label and settings to perfectly match your specific requirements. Once your form is designed, publishing it is straightforward. You can easily embed your form onto any page or post on your website using a simple shortcode or the block editor. After your form is live, you can view and manage all incoming submissions directly within the Ninja Forms dashboard in WordPress. For further analysis or record keeping, you also have the convenient option to export all your submission data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.